Hi folks, welcome back. Hope you are doing well. In this video I'm going to show you what is CRT and how many types of CRT. Make sure you watch this video till the end. It will be very informative and deep insight video on CRT you ever seen in YouTube. So let's get started. First of all, what is CRT stand for? CRT stand for a candle range theory. C for candle range theory. So its concept basically came from the ICTP of 3: accumulation, manipulation and distribution. Okay, so basically in CRT concept it become a more you can say deep and detailed and open concept that are more preferable than the accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Okay, it will be a the CRT is a more simpler than the AMD. Okay, so here basically we these concept are made by a Romeo, a guy. Okay, you will see in Twitter maybe, and also I think he have a YouTube channel in the name of him, Romeo. So basically explain that each candle have its range, so we are going to trade the range. But if you see in internet, you mostly see these basic CRT model where you see 3 candles. Okay, so on that concept you basically see a first candle is a range. They mark out the high and low. Second candle will take the sweep of the first candle, low or high, okay, respectively, and third candle will be distribute to the opposite side of the first candle, right? So but in this video I'm going to show you another type of CRTs, okay, which you mostly all of you are ignoring. So after this video I'm pretty sure that you will also watch CRT in the market with different concepts, okay, not only one, and you also did not miss that much trades that you are missing right now. Okay, so make sure you watch this video till the end, and if you're new, make sure you subscribe it, join my Telegram channel, and everything is free. So basically CRT is a candle range theory. So in that we specifically select a one time frame. It should be right that points that what I'm telling you. It can be a monthly time frame, your high time frame, weekly, daily, 4 hour, 1 hour. Okay, so you should not go less than 1 hour. The more you go lower, the more the probabilities of that trade will be decrease. Okay, you can downgrade the time on the base of your bias. If you are adding multiple confluences like daily bias with your CRT model, it will be a more greater win rate than usual. Okay, so weekly, daily, 4 hour, 1 hour. So in a weekly you will need to understand the 90 cycle, okay, and the yearly cycle and the monthly cycle of the market, where the P/3 comes to this concept that 1 week will be accumulation, second will be a manipulation, third will be a distribution, or quarterly you say a first 3 month will be accumulate, second quarter of the year will be manipulate, and then distribute, and so on. Okay, so so we don't have actually that much time to study on weekly or monthly, so we basically stick with a daily, 4 hour and 1 hour, right? So in daily what we do, basically we draw our time, the basic concept. Okay, the basic concept, we draw the daily candle, okay, and we will see where is markets going basically. So if we are going bullish, we expect that Tuesday candle took the sweep of Monday, and then we rally on Wednesday and Thursday. Okay, or it can be a Friday. 2 days can be a consolidate between the first candle. So that will be a daily concept. But 4 hour we have in a day. In some asset class we have 6 candle that is forming 1, 5, 9. Okay, so or 2, 4 or 6 and 10, like this. Okay, so we have 3 4 hour 6 4 hour candle in a day. We can take each one candle for our this CRT model, or we have 24 1 hour candles in which that we are using CRT. Okay, so now I will show you, and also in the next video, okay, if you see that, I will also show you the live my execution on CRT, that my favorite model, and what is my favorite types of CRT, you will also seen in this video. Okay, the first one you already see. This is the first one. Just excuse me of my diagram. Okay, okay, I will mostly not draw the wicks. Okay, it will reduce our time. So we have the basic CRT candle look like the first candle. Okay, it can be a daily, it can be a 4 hour, it can be a 1 hour, it can be a weekly. Okay, the next candle sweep, and third candle will be expand. Okay, now what we have, the second type of CRT. Second type of CRT, we have first candle. Okay, we have second candle respectively. Okay, we have third candle, we have fourth candle, and then we have a fifth candle. Okay, so what it's showing here, we have one candle, then after that 3 candle will be in the range, then fourth candle took the high. Okay, so what is the general rule when you are trade with CRT? The general rule is that what CRT teach on this rule, that I personally back test that first candle, second candle, third candle. When you trade the first candle, this is your first candle. Okay, once the second candle took the sweep, okay, you will go to the down lower time frame and wait for a change in the state of delivery or the first model number 1, the order block. Okay, and then from there you took the entry and you target the 50% of the first candle. Okay, and then the 100% of the first candle. Okay, so here this is the another CRT type where you will see a first candle, then you will see a many candle. It can be a more than 3, it can be a less than 3, it can be any type, it can be a wicks like that. Okay, and you will see like this as well. So it's mean that the CRT model is not limited to a specific single model. Okay, I will explain you another models which I see personally in the market. Okay, this one also the most seen one, and sometime it's also confuse you. Sometime you also see this type of CRT model in the market. Okay, so here the first candle, second candle took the sweep. Okay, then third candle again took the sweep of this second candle, and it's went to the high of this candle. These type of also you see in the market. Then what you are going to do, you have to understand this candle. Okay, it can be a daily, it can be weekly, or it can be a hourly. Okay, where it's tap in your daily PO3, in daily POI. Okay, you should have a daily POI, or you should have a higher time frame key levels where you will start seeing these type of setups. Okay, every setup have their POI. Okay, another like this, a first candle, then 2 candle inside on the first candle, third candle took the sweep, and the fourth candle then reach to the first candle high. We will go to another example, and now I'm going to show you my favorite one that I am personally trade on 4 hour and 1 hour. This is very advanced one. You need more practice on it. This is my favorite one. A first candle, the second candle took the sweep. I shift into the shorter time frame. I want to see a change in the state of delivery. I target the 50%, then 100%. Okay, this is my favorite model. I share with you. Okay, I will also in the next video I will also show you the real execution on this model, so you will not you will also can take trade later on. I will show you another example here. This one a little bit more scary. It will confuse you, but then you understand why you need a higher time frame. Excuse me for my diagram, excuse me for my English. Okay. So here what happened, first candle, okay, you are pretty sure that you are a bullish. Okay, now your price tap on some sort of POI. Okay, your high time frame key levels. Once tapped that, you will see a next candle also took the sweep, so you think might be now the third candle will took the low of that one, but what happened, then it's go against you. Okay, so you will also you also see these type of things in the market where you become more confused on these things. Okay, so make sure you understand the points that you also need multiple confluences on that, so where you can also check SMT. Okay, you will also see the SMT divergence when you see these type of situations. Okay, first candle high and low, second candle will be inside bar. Okay, then third candle took the liquidity and then run directly to the first candle high or midpoint of the first candle. Okay, so as you can see, these are the some 6-7 types that I personally see in the market, and if you also go and study on it, you will also understand that these type are also exist, just you are ignoring. We are in 4-hour time frame. If you are start to see, you will see these all types. Wherever you see, like this is the candle first one, right? We reach in some sort of level, right? And then it took the liquidity. Okay, and then the second candle also took the liquidity and then it's run to the high of this one. Which one? This model? This one. Okay, we are in a discount, fair value gap, or a resistance area. We came, we took the liquidity. This is the first candle. Okay, this is the second candle inside bar, third candle took the liquidity, then fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh candle to reach the low of that one. Okay, so as you can see the time we have in a day, we have a 6 a.m. candle, 10 a.m. candle, 2 p.m. candle, and 6 p.m. candle. Okay, so we have basically, now many people ask what is the best time to trade. In 4 hour we have 2 candles come in New York time, One is 10 a.m. and second is 2 p.m. These are the best two candles where I can see potential trades, potential all ICT or any concept are working there. So I personally try to find these CRT setups on that specific time. Okay. Second thing, in 1 hour I start with the New York session, 8 o'clock candle, 9 o'clock candle, 10 o'clock candle, and then 2 p.m. candle, 3 p.m. candle. These 5 candle, I will see which one have I found the setup with respect my bias. If I am going to the lower time frame, I also study the higher time frame. Okay, with that, so I should not confuse on it. Everywhere you see the CRT with the respectively, you only need a proper knowledge. Okay, and also one thing I am giving you a free here. There is also called a structured CRT model. Okay, so I will explain later in the coming videos that what is the structure CRT, that one structure, okay, that got swept and then that structure high your target. I hope you understand what does it mean by that. One structure if swept, then that structure leg will be your target. Like here, one candle sweep, then that candle high is your target. Same here, if one structure got swept, you shift into that lower time frame and that structure high will be your target and the 50% your break even. Now understand, you can also apply this thing as well. Okay, so I hope you learned something from this video. Excuse me for my English and other things, but I am trying my best to give you a best knowledge, what I understand, what I know, and what I trade. Okay, so in the next video you will see the execution of my CRT models trades on my instant funding account. Okay, and if you don't have any good instant funding prop firms, I am giving a link in the description. That one is a very cheaper. Okay, cheaper than your evolution accounts, so make sure you join from there. Until next time, be safe.